Hey guys, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to uninstall apps on your TV box. It's a quick video for you all, right? This was a question from a subscriber who didn't know how to uninstall an app, so I'm going to show you how to do it in this video. First of all, what do you need to do to uninstall an app that's installed on your TV box? You need to go into this option here, Settings, right? Press OK on your remote and go into this apps option. Here, a little further down, you'll see all the apps that are installed on your system, right? Here you have Netflix, Cellphone, YouTube, right? A bunch of different apps. I'm going to remove this Aptoid app. Click on it with the OK button on your remote. It will open up here, showing all the information about the app, right? All the data and everything is here. But what's important is this right here. Look, uninstall. You're going to click here on uninstall. And here it's going to ask you for permission, like, do you want to uninstall this app? Then you press OK and select OK here. Guys, see? Move it to the side there. Click OK. Alright, guys, the app has already been uninstalled. As soon as it finishes removing this app, it will disappear from this list here, see? And your app will be uninstalled. So that's it, guys. That's what I wanted to share with you. Just a quick video, right? On the end screen, I'll leave 2 videos for you related to TV box. Click on one of them, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. See you next time. I'm out.